Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sink mat is probably one of the most underrated kitchen accessories, but trust me, it's a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of sink mats designed specifically for your kitchen faucet area. We'll explore the benefits, features, and why you absolutely need one to protect your sink and elevate your kitchen game. Get ready to discover how a simple sink mat can make a big difference. Number 5. Ternal Sinkmat Drip Catcher and Splash Guard. This is the Ternal Sinkmat, designed to protect your counters from drips and splashes. It's made of absorbent microfiber and is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or RVs. The Sinkmat measures 15 by 5.4 by 0.25 inches with a 2.5-inch faucet hole. Please note that it's not compatible with built-in soap dispensers or multi-fixture faucets. This mat is 100% machine washable and dryable for easy cleaning. You can also hand wash it and hang it to dry overnight. It features a new anti-slip silicone bottom for extra stability on various surfaces. This ensures that it stays in place, even on marble counters. The new snap button feature secures the mat to the faucet base, preventing slipping. It's a perfect accessory for your RV kitchen, providing the security you need. What we like? This mat is a breeze to clean, thanks to its machine washable design. It also features a non-slip bottom and a snap button to secure it to your faucet. If you're looking for a low-maintenance solution that stays firmly in place, this is the one for you. What people say? It was just the right size and it works very well. This works great for catching splashes and the water that drips off your hands as you work the faucet. They work well to keep counter dry. Number 4. LOPNUR Kitchen Sink Protector. Tired of water stains around your faucet? This innovative mat is designed to absorb splashes quickly. It keeps your counter dry and clean, reducing your cleaning time. The LOPNUR mat comes in 2 sizes and is easily cut to fit your sink. You can customize it to accommodate your soap dispenser or water filter. Make sure to measure your faucet base before cutting. This mat features strong absorbency, soaking up water in seconds. The rubber backing keeps it firmly in place, preventing slips and spills. It's a practical solution for a tidy kitchen. The LOPNUR Sink Protector is built to last, shielding your counter from water damage. It eliminates the need for constant wiping around the faucet. This durable mat simplifies your daily routine. This mat isn't just for the kitchen, it's also great for bathrooms, RVs, and laundry rooms. Use it to organize small items like toothbrushes and soap. It's a versatile addition to any space. For optimal performance, air dry the mat daily. Clean it with a damp cloth or rinse with water. Avoid twisting or bending the mat to preserve its PU leather surface. What we like? This sink protector is cuttable, allowing for a custom fit for your sink and accessories. It's also super absorbent, keeping your counters dry. If you have a unique sink setup or want to protect your counters from water stains, it's a great choice. What people say? The mat is made of a soft, flexible material that is easy to clean. It effectively catches water and prevents it from pooling around the faucet. The design fits perfectly around the faucet and provides ample coverage. Number 3. LOPNUR LOPNUR Diatomite Faucet Mat, Black. Tired of water stains around your faucet? This innovative mat is designed to solve that problem. It's a simple yet effective solution for a cleaner kitchen. Made from highly absorbent diatomite, it quickly soaks up water. This helps to keep your sink area dry and free of water spots. The mat is easily cut to fit any sink size or shape. You can customize it to perfectly match your kitchen setup. It acts as a splash guard, protecting your countertops from water damage. This helps to extend the life of your surfaces. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It's a practical and stylish accessory that enhances your kitchen experience. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe it down or rinse it under the faucet. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. What we like? This mat is made of diatomite, known for its fast-drying properties. It's also cuttable to fit your sink perfectly. If you want a mat that dries quickly and efficiently, this is a great option. What people say? This helps so much, and even though you can cut it to size, I didn't need to make any alterations. keeps water off counter. Catches water great, dries quickly. Number 2. 5-degree slope silicone faucet mat. Introducing the 5-degree slope silicone faucet mat. This innovative mat keeps your sink area clean and dry. It's the perfect solution to prevent water spots and puddles. This versatile mat isn't just for the kitchen. You can use it in the bathroom, laundry room, or even your RV. It's a handy drip catcher tray for any sink. The 5-degree slope design ensures quick and efficient water drainage. Water flows smoothly away, so it dries faster. This means less cleaning for you. With its 24-inch length, this mat provides extensive coverage. It fits various sink sizes and faucet configurations. It prevents water from splashing onto the sink surface. This mat also acts as a convenient organizer. It has a spot for your brushes, sponges, and even a soap dispenser. It keeps everything tidy and within reach. The faucet hole is adjustable to fit your faucet perfectly. It's designed for various scenarios, ensuring a snug and secure fit. What we like. This splash guard features a unique 5-degree slope design for faster water drainage. It's also large enough to cover a wide area and can be used as a sink organizer. If you like a clean and tidy sink area, this is a great choice. What people say. Designed with a subtle 5-degree slope, it effectively captures most of the splashback and directs it right back into the sink. This splash guard doubles as a convenient resting spot for cleaning sponges or a soap bar. It keeps everything dry and is super nice. It's super easy to clean, just wipe it or run some water over it. It's easy to install, just wrap it around the tap. It's big enough to cover most sinks. Number 1. Meiliweser Silicone Faucet Splash Guard Gen 2. Tired of water stains? This splash guard is designed to provide maximum coverage and splash resistance. It's larger than others on the market, ensuring your countertop stays dry. Made with 100% food-grade silicone, this product is safe and durable. It's built to last and easy to clean, making it a great addition to your kitchen or bathroom. The slope-style design with a wide drain outlet ensures quick water drainage. This feature helps keep your sink area clean and tidy, preventing water buildup. This isn't just a splash guard, it's also a sink organizer. You can store your cleaning tools on it, keeping your kitchen space neat and organized. It helps to make the most of your space. Use it in various areas of your house, including the kitchen, bathroom, laundry, and even your RV. It's a versatile solution for any sink area. Before you buy, measure your faucet and sink to ensure a perfect fit. This product is designed to fit most sinks, providing maximum coverage and convenience. What we like. This splash guard is made of premium silicone and designed for a perfect fit. It also features fast and efficient drainage. If you want a durable, easy-to-clean mat that keeps your sink area tidy, consider it. What people say. This works really well keeping extra water off the cabinet. This item serves the purpose it was intended for. It keeps the water off the sink edge and counter when turning the faucet off with wet hands. It fits around the faucet well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.